Welcome to VoltBandit. Tonight we ask a vital question about preparation and power. What if the next blackout starts tonight and your home goes completely dark? No lights, no charging, no backup. Smart people don't wait for outages. They prepare before it happens. Here's why batteries are being stockpiled right now. It's time to secure your power. Our first point: power is not guaranteed. This is the critical foundation most people ignore. Power feels permanent, a given, something we never think about. But it's not. Storms, overload, failures. Every year, blackouts are increasing. And when power fails, everything changes. Next, let's talk about control. Batteries equal instant control when the grid goes dark. Batteries give you control, light in darkness, communication, safety. Without them, you are dependent on outside help, and dependence is risk. Batteries offer crucial independence. This is a fact you need to understand. They disappear first. The unprepared always miss out. In every blackout, the same pattern repeats. Batteries sell out first. Within hours, people panic. They buy anything left. But by then, it's already too late. Preparation must happen before the disaster. Let's move to action. Section 4, Smart Buying Strategy. Preparation is about intelligence, not just volume. Smart people don't overbuy. They prepare smart. Focus on AA and AAA batteries, rechargeable options, and reliable power banks. Implement a rotation system. Ensure your power sources are always ready. This is where most people fail. They buy once and forget. The real advantage is not just having power, it's having peace of mind. In a blackout, prepared homes stay calm. Unprepared homes panic. The difference is small decisions made early. Batteries are not expensive to purchase, but being unprepared is. The cost of panic always outweighs the cost of preparation. We are reaching the end. It's time for reflection and action. How many batteries do you have right now? Enough for one night or a full blackout? Comment below and let us know your current prep level. Subscribe VoltBandit for more essential preparation advice.